All right, we're doing one of them foil packs. I gotta tell you, these thrift store knives that I got, pretty darn good. I grew up watching my grandmother use paring knives for everything, so it's kind of what I do. I'm not as good as she was. It was like her finger, almost like an extension of her finger. So I guess if you go to chef school, this is not the way they're going to teach you. And they're not going to teach you to make the same foil pack all the time either, are they? But I'm no chef. Hoping I'm on my... I need to get another can of propane. Hoping I get enough. I don't know why I just don't go get one. Stop being stupid, but I think I can make it. Reynolds wrap, non-stick. Helps a little. And as you can see, everybody's always on about put a wet washcloth, put a piece of non-slip. It's not going to move. It's not going to get everything all wet. All right, some onion. All right. The last of these mini peppers. I did seed them this time. Core them. You just take your knife in there and run it around in a circle. I do it over the garbage bag so you don't get to see it. But when you're done, it's quick and easy. Foil pack. I'm gonna change it up this time. I'm gonna use Creole seasoning. If you watch along, that's not a change at all. Olive oil. And now I'll fold this up. GoPro, stop recording. Okay. First, this is chicken. I'm gonna put chicken on the grill. And I have Kicked Up Chicken, which is Aldi's version of the same more popular brand name, and it's just as good. I try to open this over the bag because sometimes it'll come out. So we're going to put that in there. And I also have some Famous Dave's Country Roast Chicken Seasoning. I'm going to double this seasoning stuff. Alright. I'll also take that out to the grill with us, and I'll clean up this mess I just made. The campground's crowded, so I didn't video cooking it. Alright, YouTubers, there's the meal. Chicken, broccoli, potatoes, onions, and mini peppers. There's a little flyover. I'm going to taste everything. Got to put my lime juice on it. All right, let's start with the broccoli. All good people like broccoli. You don't have to be a good person to like it. It doesn't make you bad. Pepper. Pepper. Potatoes. Oh, that's good with the onions. All right, let's get into that chicken. Hold on. I think that came out darn good. Taste it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I gotta eat it quicker than I can talk. That's a very good dinner, YouTubers. Really enjoyed that one. Marquette did me right today. I had a good day in Marquette. The rain went away. Really enjoyed myself. Got some other things to do. But until then, have a great and wonderful day. I think of Napoleon Dynamite, but Uncle Rico's tapioca pudding's good too.